here at the Gothic corner. Did in Spanish. And now I don't know what she said. This church is huge. Well, I don't know what to do. I'm not gonna take a taxi. It's too expensive. I have to figure out how to get out of here. Oh my god, how am I gonna get out of here? I don't know how. I just asked for direction. I asked in Spanish and she responded in Spanish. And now I don't know what she said. Something about the pharmacy. I asked where the train was. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Okay, I think I understood what she said. She said to follow the pharmacy and the pharmacy is there. Okay, I think I got this. I think. Okay, I think I got it now. I asked someone in Spanish and then they responded in Spanish. And I understand a little bit. Good thing I did. She responded in Spanish. And now I don't know what she said. And now I think I'm heading in the right direction. And hopefully I get out from here in one piece. Wish me luck. You know what? I should just ask in English from now on. Because I don't get it. I know a little bit, but oh my god. Train to believe I'm here. I can't believe I'm here. Can you believe it? Girl, why is my room so small? Oh my god. I feel claustrophobic in here. You know, and what's the thing is, this is the most expensive hotel. Oh my god. It's so expensive, but it doesn't feel expensive. But that's okay. That forced me that I shouldn't stay here for so long. And I should get out more. Yeah. Bad hotel is good because it forces you to go out more. Which is a good thing, because you're not here to sleep anyway. Wow, I really look like a local. Nobody will pickpocket me. Nobody dares to pickpocket me. Look at me. I look like a local. Girl, that's so pretty. It's not really gothic though. I mean, the time frame is from much later. Oh my god. Look at that behind me. Wow. I don't know how to vlog still. I'm figuring it out. But I'm just yapping. I want people to take pictures of me, but I'm too scared to ask. What if I ask a pickpocket, someone who pickpockets, and they just suddenly run with my camera? That's one of the cons to traveling alone.